Hey everyone, it's Jen Foster here from Elite Online Publishing. And today I'm going to talk to you about how to turn your book into a business asset. It's going to be a 5-step process, a step-by-step guide, turning your book into a business asset. So publishing a book isn't the end of your journey. It's the beginning of your business. And if you've got a book or a message, but no business growth behind it, and then this video is for you. I am going to show you how to turn your book into a revenue generating machine. So being a best-selling author is a perfect way to build your business. I've seen even first-time authors and niche experts, even a memoir writer, turn the book into a speaking gig, a consulting client, coaching program, media appearances. Your book is really the door, right? Let's open it and let's get some real opportunities coming your way. So step one is building your email list. Now, your email list is your digital real estate. This is where your business lives. So if you can have an email list, then you can embed lead magnets inside your book, offer free checklist, a bonus chapter, or even a private video. You can get those readers into your world. And one author we worked with added hundreds of subscribers using a single PDF bonus as the offer. But they put that in the beginning of the book and the end of the book. I've even seen authors that will put it at the end of every chapter. So having that call to action, having a lead magnet can help you do that. Not sure what a lead magnet is? Well, we can help you. We have templates for that. We can help you customize your lead magnet. We can help you brainstorm and get the one that's the best fit for you and get it right the first time. Check out the link below. Let's go on to step number 2. Own your social media presence. So authors who post once and then disappear are forgotten. Consistency builds familiarity. Consistency builds familiarity. Post bite-sized insights from your book. Turn each chapter into 10 posts. Think of each content as breadcrumbs that lead people to your brand, right? You're not just promoting your book, you're building your personality, you're building your business, and you're giving value. People want value. They want to learn. Step 3, create a speaking portfolio. Speaking is one of the fastest ways to monetize your message. Now, you may say, I'm not a speaker. Well, you could be on podcasts, right? Speaking on podcasts is not the same as speaking on a stage, and you can still get the same benefits from it. So what you can do is start with a speaker sheet, right? A headline, a bio, 3 signature talks, testimonials. You could even film yourself giving your 10-minute speech on Zoom. You could just do a Zoom clip and record it. Organizers will be able to see you in action. But having that book will give you credibility, and speaking will build the trust in real time. Step 4 is pitch yourself on media. So authors are media gold. If you know how to pitch, then you can sell, right? You can make a lot of money using your book. So create a media one sheet. This is different than your speaker sheet, right? This is your story angle. This is your book summary. It's 3 talkable topics. It's not your full signature talks, right? This is something separate. Reach out to podcasts, local radio, even LinkedIn live hosts. One client of ours booked 12 interviews in just 30 days with our help, and we can help you do that too. If you want, we can even help you pitch that to podcast producers and podcast hosts and get you booked on 12 podcasts in 30 days. Just click the link below. Step 5, create a monetizable ecosystem. Step 5, create a monetizable ecosystem. Books open doors, but your back end will sell the house. Turn your content into a course, a coaching program, a newsletter, or a workshop. If someone loves your book, offer them the next step. Your book is the appetizer, now give them the full meal. One of my favorite stories is the minimalists. And you might have heard this before if you've watched any of my other videos. The minimalists have a book. It came out many, many years ago. And they took that book and did a book tour. Now, first of all, the book wasn't written by them. It was just a bunch of their blog posts put in. So they actually started by writing blog posts. Then they took all the blog posts, repurposed that content, and put it into a book. Then they took that book, repurposed it, and did a book tour. When they did the book tour, they had a documentary, they had a film crew follow them around, and then they sold that to Netflix. So then they had the movie called The Minimalist on Netflix, which explained everything about what their book was about and had them with the documentary of their book tour. And I believe they have a second documentary for another year that they did a book tour. So they have The Minimalist too. So you can do many things by repurposing your content and turn your book into something else. And we had another author who had an investing business. She was a broker. And she didn't really have a huge platform, but she had a really powerful story and she had the right offer. And so as soon as we helped her, we actually helped her get Wall Street Journal and USA Today bestseller. As soon as she hit, she was able to land a client that she'd been working on that wasn't ready to work with her yet. But as soon as he saw her best-selling book, she got him to sign with her and helped her earn over 6 figures. Why? Because she treated her book like a business, right? Not just a project. So if you're ready to turn your book into a business asset, don't wing it. You can work it. You can download our free guide, the Book Launch Playbook, or you can visit us at eliteonlinepublishing.com. Just check out the link in the description below, and let's make your book start to be something big.